Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete process of configuring a user-level custom attribute in Bold BI and using that attribute inside a PostgreSQL query to enable secure, user-specific data filtering. A user custom attribute is a name-value pair assigned to a specific user. You can reference that value inside queries like a dynamic parameter. This helps personalize data access and supports secure user-specific filtering. For this demo, using user-level custom attributes, the data is filtered based on each user's identity. This ensures they see only their relevant information. We use this to improve security, personalize dashboards, and avoid creating separate data sources for every user. First, open the Bold BI dashboard server. Select Users, and open the user you want to configure. Select Add Attribute. In the Add Attribute dialog, enter the attribute name in the name field and the value in the value field. Add a description to explain the purpose of the attribute. If the value is sensitive, you can enable encryption. This stores the value encrypted in the database, and it appears as dots in the grid. Select Save to save the attribute. Now the attribute has been added successfully under the user's attribute section. Similarly, add an attribute for another user. Next, open the Dashboard Designer. Go to the Data Sources section and select Create New. Choose PostgreSQL and enter the required connection details. Select Connect to open the Query Designer. To add the condition, select Code. Apply a filter using the custom attribute by adding a where condition that references the attribute. This ensures the query returns data based on the logged-in user's attribute value. Select Run to preview the results. Add the bar chart widget. Drag the field in the Assigned Data tab. Publish this dashboard by clicking the Publish button. Since I have assigned the attribute value as residential and commercial for this user, commercial and residential values are only displayed. Then log out this user and log in another user. Since I have assigned the attribute value as traffic and industrial for this user, industrial and traffic values are only displayed. In this video, you learned how to add a user-level custom attribute in Bold BI and use it in a PostgreSQL query to support dynamic user-specific filtering. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe for more Bold BI tutorials.